Our next question is, all right, I'm worried that if I ask my internal successor to purchase my practice, she'll just look for another job. What do you recommend that I do? All right, this is a tough one, okay? Because often what we find is that the senior attorneys and their would-be internal successors just ignore something that is super important that they should not be ignoring after a certain period of time. That is, as a senior attorney is thinking about retiring or semi-retiring, what we find, the thoughts that they have is, when will my internal successors, when will they come down the hall and offer to buy my practice? That's absolutely on their mind. It's on their mind when it's their birthday. It's on their mind on the first of the year. It's on their mind when they're paying rent. It's on their mind when they're paying paychecks. Not that it's on their mind all the time, but it's absolutely on the minds of senior attorneys that have practiced more than 30 years. What's on the mind of the internal successors? What's on the mind typically of the internal successors are thinking, geez, what happens if my boss retires? Okay, boy, I can't afford to purchase this law practice. I've got all kinds of other expenses going on in my life. And then should I actually call back that recruiter who keeps calling me and telling me that I've got another opportunity at another firm that I could join? So as these thoughts are going through the minds of the senior attorney, thinking, when could the internal successor come and purchase my practice? And the internal successor thinking that they don't really want to purchase, they really can't afford to either, then what is your other option? And what we find is that the synergy value of what senior attorney-led firms offer to growing law firms is an under-recognized opportunity for senior attorneys and for their would-be internal successors. Because once senior attorneys recognize that their would-be internal successor really doesn't want to purchase their practice and can't afford to either, then we love to hit them up with great news that, look, a growing law firm does want and need what you have because you offer instant client growth. The combined workforce, your internal successor that really wants a job would love to have a job at a growing law firm and have that stability that a growing law firm can offer, and they want and need that internal successor who really doesn't want to purchase your law firm. The cumulative expertise that you all offer, that is you, the senior attorney, your attorneys that work with you, your para staff, great value add to growing law firms. And then the marketing value of what senior attorneys can offer to growing law firms. That synergy value in terms of who wants that synergy value, it is growing law firms want your law firms. They need your firms. They need your staff a heck of a lot more than the would-be internal successor that you just wish would walk down the hallway and offer to purchase your law firm.